It's story time!
Annoying Parrot by Alyssa Liang. Parrot lives alone in a tree near Ella's backyard. He doesn't have any friends, but he doesn't know the reason. One day, Parrot watches Ella and Lizzy play together in the backyard. He wants to play with them. Parrot tries to get Ella and Lizzy's attention. He drops some dirt on them. Ella and Lizzy look up. Parrot laughs. Ella and Lizzy don't like it. They think Parrot is rude. They move away from him. Parrot follows Ella and Lizzy. He flies to the other tree above them. He drops some sticks on them. When Ella and Lizzy look up, he pretends it is not him. "Stop it!" Lizzy shouts at Parrot. "Stop it!" Parrot repeats. "We don't like you," Ella says. "We don't like you," Parrot repeats. "Stop copying us," Lizzy shouts. "Stop copying us," Parrot repeats. You're so annoying," Ella says angrily. "You're so annoying," Parrot repeats. Ella is angry. She picks up a rock. She is going to throw it at Parrot. "Ella, ignore him," Lizzy says. "Ella, ignore him," Parrot repeats. Ella and Lizzy ignore Parrot. Parrot starts dropping leaves on them. Ella and Lizzy pick up their toys and walk inside the house. Parrot is alone in the backyard again.
Let's do the activities!
Activity 1. Connect the dots and reveal the picture. Trace the word and color the picture. Who is it in the picture? Where does he live?
It's Parrot. He lives in a tree near Ella's backyard.
Activity 2. Circle the pictures to show how Parrot tries to make friends with Ella and Lizzy.
He drops dirt on them. He drops sticks on them. He drops leaves on them.
Activity 3. What do Ella, Lizzy, and Parrot say to each other? Circle the sentences.
Lizzy says, "Stop it." Parrot says,
"Stop it!"
Ella says, "I don't like you." Parrot says,
"I don't like you."
Lizzy says, "Stop copying us." Parrot says,
"Stop copying us."
Ella says, "You're so annoying." Parrot says,
"You're so annoying." Activity 4. Complete the sentences by using words with a long I, as in pie or cry. Read the sentences.
"A fly puts on a tie. He flies in the sky. He looks for some fries. He found a pie."
Activity 5. Test your understanding of the story. Why does Parrot have no friends?
Because he is rude and annoying.
How should he make friends?
He should just ask.
"Can I play with you?"